Should I go for Skype for Business versus Cisco Webex versus Zoom? What do they cost? Which one integrates best with my existing technologies? In the CIO office, this is a question keeping many busy. And I have heard many heated conversations between the hardcore fans of each vendor. So, we have taken a look at Skype for Business versus Webex meetings versus Zoom, so you can make the right decision for you. And maybe even have a little bit of clarity about what you need out of your video collaboration software. Skype for Business versus Webex meetings versus Zoom overview. If you compare the options offered by the three services, you will notice it is, for the vast majority, the same. But keep in mind their original purpose, which can give you some interesting insights into how each service grew. Webex Meetings Overview. Webex Meetings allows users to meet face-to-face from a desktop, laptop, mobile device or video conferencing endpoint. It uses the reliable Cisco infrastructure and integrates with Webex Teams as well as with other prominent vendors such as Microsoft. Webex was built to answer the demand for meeting in real time to discuss documents. Video and chat are additions that were added later. Zoom.us Overview. Zoom allows users to meet face-to-face seamlessly from a web browser, from the desktop app or the mobile app. Zoom rapidly grew in the last few years and conquered the market with its ease of use, quality and reliability. Zoom is primarily a video-centric meeting app. It was built by ex-Webex engineers, who were frustrated by the rigid code limiting the platform growth. Their ethos is to make everything easy. Skype for Business Overview. Skype for Business combines the features of the popular consumer video calling platform Skype and the strong Microsoft Link capabilities. It integrates with many key Microsoft applications, but also well-known software providers such as Salesforce. Skype for Business is originally a messaging app that outgrew itself, with other possibilities like video and application sharing being added. And soon to be retired in favor of Microsoft Teams. Skype for Business versus Webex Meetings versus Zoom feature comparison. Here is a quick comparison table. It is not aimed at showing the whole offering but rather at a glance picture. You'll see the difference between the three isn't huge when it comes to feature analysis. Cost and current software choices can play the biggest factor in your decision making. Skype for Business, Webex, Zoom, how much will it cost? You can easily find the different, official packages offered by each vendor on their website. In general, they'll look something like, Skype for Business, between $5 and $35 per user per month. Webex, between $19 and $39 per host per month. Zoom, up to $19.99, but each company should contact directly for an individual quote. What we do know is that depending on the number of licenses you buy, the type of audio package you negotiate, and of course how good you are at bargaining, the costs could dramatically change compared to those you can easily find on each vendor's page. Who is leading the video conferencing market? At the beginning of 2018, it seemed obvious that Zoom was a real threat to the Cisco offering. Not only was it easier to join a Zoom meeting, but the options within the meeting were also simpler and the quality was impeccable. Cisco is still the leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, but they can definitely feel the heat from Zoom. During the summer, Cisco reacted by launching a revamped version of Webex, making the service more video-centric than ever before. This was the most drastic transformation ever. Skype for Business. Major advantage is being part of the Microsoft suite. But in order for companies to have a truly great experience, near magic needs to happen between bandwidth, technology and user experience. As a key player throughout Microsoft-centric companies, we don't see them going away anytime soon. Skype for Business versus Webex versus Zoom, which one to choose? We are often asked for advice about which one to choose. The choice will depend on all kinds of factors within your company. The number of people in meetings, infrastructure, existing vendors, use of video endpoints, etc. Skype for Business can sometimes end up being more expensive than Webex because of quality issues and time to fix problems. But if your infrastructure rests on many Microsoft products, you will have fewer vendors to contact when something happens. If you just want to have meetings with great quality and ease of use, Zoom will be your friend. But if you are looking for a more robust experience outside of meetings, Zoom might not be your preferred choice. The support experience, when needed, is also mostly pleasant. Webex Meetings is robust, has an impeccable quality even though it can sometimes be challenging to newbies. But, if you need to integrate your meeting experience with the whole collaboration journey, before, during, and after the meeting, all within one service, I would recommend Webex. But don't forget the key element: at the end of the day, this is primarily about people. They can make the technology a great success with an amazing return on investment, or break it. So, be next year's hero by selecting the technology your people are truly waiting for. Leaving change to chance never works. Employees won't use your new digital workplace tools if you don't tell them why and teach them how. Say Money gets everyone using new tools in the best ways by raising awareness, revealing the value and showing how to work smarter in this digital age. They'll be happier and more effective. You'll transform the business.